Whatever you do, don't turn around, you will like what you might see. Behind you is AI, the big boogeyman that everyone has been afraid of over the last few years, and is now becoming prevalent in every whatsoever industry in the world. And people are afraid of losing jobs. And so am I. It's so crazy how quickly AI is advancing, and now it even makes up some really fire pieces of music. And once again, look at where we started with Will Smith eating a plate of spaghetti that looked like some kind of LSD fever dream type of experience.
Oh, that's hot.
To now where you can have a very convincing video of Will Smith eating spaghetti, and you need him to come out to confirm its authenticity. And trust me, it's getting tough to tell who is hitting the high notes. Is it Celine Dion or Machine Dion? And in this today video, let's check out craziest AI tools to cook up some hit songs that will soon make you a smart music artist. First, we have Suno, a rising star in AI music with its release of Suno V3, which is really bonkers to all the music lovers. I'm a big fan of Imagine Dragons, so let's create a song that has the same vibe with the song Enemy by Imagine Dragons. And here is my description: an alternative rock song featuring strong kick drum instrumentation and catchy melodies. And let's see. So here is my song. And another song. Both songs sound quite good and catchy, but I'm not sure if they can have a chance to become a hit. And also the lyrics here seem a little bit dull to me. And next we have Saro, an AI music platform that offers customizable pre-made themes for users to choose from and create unique songs for themselves. You need to choose the length for your song. I would go for 10 seconds, the tempos, and the genre for my song. Now let's try hip hop. And let's see what we got. Impressive. I think this tool can be used to create background music for your YouTube video short or TikTok videos. Like, it's quite good, I think. So I will literally go to this tool to create my background music for my next video. So which AI music tool takes the crowd? That's for you to decide based on your specific needs and preference. Whether you are a filmmaker, a gamer, or a content creator, there's an AI music generator out there ready to level up your projects. So don't forget to leave a comment down below to let me know your opinions.